Here is the Kia Sorento. Let's get started. First thing we have to do is open up the hatch. That's the hatch strut right over there. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. The smaller it is, the better it is. Because we have to get the screwdriver right over there underneath that clip and then pull the clip outwards, just the way I'm showing. And then once it comes out a little bit like this, at this point all we have to do is just push up on the hatch a little bit and then pull the strut out. It'll just come right out. And off it comes. Now the moment you take it out, the hatch is gonna come down. It won't stay in place being supported by one strut, so be careful. Same thing, just get the screwdriver right underneath that clip and then pull it out. And once it's out like this, just grab the entire strut and then just pull it off of that ball there. That metal clip is the one that's holding it in place. Check the link in the description to buy the new part from Amazon for yourself. And now when you get the new part, all you have to do is just get it on the ball and then push it. You don't have to pull the clip out before putting it back on the ball. Just get it on the ball and push it. It'll lock itself in place. Good. Now repeat the process for the other side. Just get it on the ball and push it and it's locked. And that's it. Exact same process on the other side. Let's just give this a try. It's working fine and that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.